Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. This is Anukriti here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys 4 cute and easy hairstyles which you can wear every day. Now if you guys know, I have really long and crazy curly and wavy hair. So I'm going to use a serum to soft and detangle them. My hairs are naturally wavy. These are my natural hair and we are not going to use any heat tool today. So I'm just applying it all over my hair so that my hair will become more soft and smooth and shiny. For the first hairstyle, I'm going to part my hair from the middle and I'm going to tie a section of my hair with the help of a rubber band. Then I'm going to take the front section of my hair because we are going to braid it all the way back. So here I'm going to do a Dutch braid. So because we are going to do a Dutch braid, we are going to take the section and split it into 3 sections. Then we are going to pull it back because we are going to braid our hair all the way to the back of our head. So when you start braiding, keep adding the hair from the bottom and from the top to the braid so that it will go all the way back. So I'm just adding a section of hair from both the side and I'm going all the way back. Now secure this section with the help of a hair tie. And we are going to do a Dutch braid on the other side too. Now take out the hair tie of that section and we are going to secure our hair into a high ponytail. I'm going to pull out few hair strands from the side so that this hairstyle will look more pretty. So this is the complete first hairstyle and it is super cute. Now if you want, you can also add a ribbon tie to the hairstyle. This will make this hairstyle look more cute. So for the second hairstyle, I'm going to take the front section of my hair and I'm going to secure it into a half ponytail with the help of a hair tie. Next, just take out half section of hair from the hair tie and pull it out so that it will look more puffy. So like this, our half bun will look more puffy. And then I'm going to secure all the hair with the help of a bobby pin. Now take a section of hair and start braiding it all the way down. And do this on the other side too. And to make it look more messy, just pull out few hairs from the braid so that it will look super cool, super messy. So this is a second hairstyle. It is more kind of a boho hairstyle which I really love. This is kind of messy and half bun hairstyle. For the third hairstyle, take a section of your hair from the side and braid it all the way down. Now secure the braid with the help of a hair tie and start pulling few hair from the braid so that it will look more messy. Next, take your hair all the way back and secure it into a high ponytail. Leave the braid and front section of your hair. Next, pull out some hair from the ponytail so that it will look more messy. Next, we are going to take our braid and we are going to wrap it around our head. If your braid is very long like mine, just wrap it around your ponytail. Then secure the braid with the help of a bobby pin. Then we are going to take our front section and we are going to secure it to the back of our head with the help of bobby pin. Take out few strands from the side to make it look more cute. And this is hairstyle number 3 completed. Now for the fourth hairstyle which you guys requested so much, which I've done in my last video, and this is one of my favorite. This is a Dutch braid. For that we are going to part our hair from the middle and then we are going to take a section of our hair and we are going to braid it all the way back to our head. So this is like the same way we did our first hairstyle. Start braiding your section and pull it back because we are going to go all the way back, and start adding hair from both the side to the braid. So when you finished braiding all the way back, continue braiding it all the way down. Next we are going to do it on the other side. To start braiding your hair all the way back to the down, and this way, this is how you do a basic Dutch braid hairstyle. Now to make it look more cute, I'm going to just pull out few side strands also. Start pulling out few hair from the braid to make it look more puffy. So this is the complete fourth hairstyle, which is a basic Dutch braid, and I really love this hairstyle. This is one of my favorite. So that's it for today, guys. If you guys like these hairstyles, do let me know in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.